So hello everyone, once again we are with the new video, and that is about pituitary gland. We all know that pituitary gland secretes 9 hormones which are secreted through the lobes present in the pituitary gland. There are 3 lobes present on the pituitary gland. These are anterior lobes. Anterior lobes also known as adenohypophysis. The second one is middle lobe or intermediate lobe, which connects anterior lobes and posterior lobe togetherly. And the third one is posterior lobe, also known as neurohypophysis. So the anterior lobes of pituitary gland stimulates or release 6 hormone, and that is FSH, also known as follicle stimulating hormone, TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, LH, luteinizing hormone, ACTH, also known as adrenocorticotropic hormone, and the fifth one is prolactin hormone, and the last one is growth hormone, also known as somatotropin hormone. The FSH, also known as follicle stimulating hormone, helps in the growth of ovarian follicles. It means that in the case of female, it helps in the production of ovarian, or ovule formation is done through follicles stimulating hormone in female. In case of male, it is needed. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, is needed for spermatogenesis. The second one is TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. The main target of this hormone is thyroid gland. On thyroid gland, it produces thyroid hormone, which has in the basal metabolic rate. If there is if there will be increase in the secretion of thyroid gland, then this is known as hyperthyroidism, and if there is less amount of TSH is secreted, then this is called as hypothyroidism. The third one is LH, luteinizing hormone. The luteinizing hormone, the main target of this hormone is same as follicle stimulating hormone, that is ovary and males. In case of female, LH, which means luteinizing hormone surge, is necessary for induction of ovulation. It means that luteinizing hormone helps in the estrogen production of hormone in case of female, whereas in male it stimulates Leydig cell to secrete testosterone in case of male. And the fourth one is adrenocorticotropic hormone, also known as ACTH. ACTH, the main target of ACTH is adrenal cortex of renal gland or adrenal gland. The adrenal gland is also known as suprarenal gland because it is located on the top of each kidney. It stimulates, the ACTH stimulates glucocorticoid and androgen hormone. The fifth one is prolactin hormone. Here the name suggests pro means this hormone helps in the production of milk in female, not in injection of milk. This hormone is needed for the milk production and breast and overall development in female. The last one is growth hormone or somatotropin hormone. This hormone helps in the stimulation of growth hormone, which are necessary for the mentally development in the case of human. Growth hormone has effects on liver, muscles and bones. It helps to promote cell division, and if cell division is regulated, then our muscles will be developed, cartilage will be developed. In this way, it helps for the development of our body. If less amount of growth hormone is secreted, then this is known as hyposecretion, and hyposecretion of growth hormone causes dwarfism, and dwarfism. In case of dwarfism, people will become mentally retarded, भुंटे हो जाल छै, whereas the hyposecretion of growth hormone causes gigantism or acromegaly. In this case, the person will become taller as compared to normal body, and but the mental retarded will occur. So these are the hormones produced by anterior lobe of pituitary gland. Now the second one is intermedia or middle lobe. As the name suggests, middle lobe, it works as a connecting link between the anterior lobe and posterior lobe. So the middle lobe only produces one hormone, that is melanocytes stimulating hormone or releasing hormone, you can just simply call it. The melanocytes releasing hormone helps in the production of melanin, which is the pigment. The posterior hormone also releases two hormones, that is vasopressin, or also known as antidiuretic hormone, or simply ADH. The 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 main target of vasopressin is renal collecting ducts. Renal collecting ducts are found in the kidney. It means that vasopressin helps in the passive reabsorption of water. It means that if a person has drunk alcohol, then he or she have to urinate more number of times as compared to normal one, because the ethyl alcohol has effects on ADH, so it is not able to do reabsorption of water. Then this causes polyuria, which means increased frequency of urination is known as polyuria, and it is done if it is in case of person has drunk alcohol. The second one is oxytocin. Oxytocin helps in the milk injection. Milk injection means it is required at the time of pregnancy. If suppose at this is being injected in nowadays as a surgery case for the early pregnancy of baby, and it is being injected in mammary glands through specialized doctors. The oxytocin helps in the milk injection, and the contraction of uterine tube is also being done through oxytocin hormone. These two hormones produced by posterior lobes are also known as neuropeptide hormone. It is because these are the hormones produced by proteins, and since it is located in the posterior lobe, and we know that posterior lobe is also known as neurohypophysis, that is known as the posterior lobe hormones are known as neuropeptide hormone. So you got it right. So this much for today.